kind of waffles?
Mickey waffles.
So this is, what's this, Addie?
It's a Mickey slipper.
Mickey, what?
Mickey slipper.
Mickey slipper?
No, Mickey like this.
Oh, flipper.
Yeah, slipper.
Oh, Mickey flipper. Yeah. So I'm gonna show him. This is our new waffle maker we got. And it fits 3 there. But then when we flip it over, you can cook 3 more. This is gonna be quick breakfast, huh, Addie?
Yeah.
What did we use to make our waffles?
Eggs.
Eggs,
What's this called?
sugar,
Sugar. What's this called?
flour,
Flour. And what else?
baking powder,
Mickey flour.
baking powder,
Baking powder.
and a little salt,
Yeah, little salt.
vanilla,
Yeah, vanilla.
oil,
Oil.
milk,
Milk.
and a little water.
Little water.
That's our waffles.
Now, bye-bye. I put it in.
Turned it on. Set our temp to a good medium.
Turn off.
Nope, we need it on so we can cook it. We'll
Okay.
start.
I want to do it.
Okay, get some batter.
I put it in here.
Yeah. Whoa, got a lot. Okay, now let's pour it into this one. Ooh. What are these?
Mickey waffles.
Are they good?
Mm,
How many have you eaten?
that one.
3. Yum. Whoa, a mound of Mickey waffles.
It's too big. It's so heavy.
Too big. We made it so fast.
Yeah.
Yum.
May I hold it? Thanks for watching.